Isa ka ba sa mga naghahanap ng trabaho going to abroad? Or isa ka ba sa mga naghahanap ng trabaho going to abroad pero nahihirapan kang makahanap na legit agency at hirap ka ring makahanap ng mga agencies dahil sa sobrang layo ng kanilang mga lugar or office? Attention job seekers, so this is RSG and welcome po dito sa ating Facebook. So now, ito i-share ko sa inyo itong biggest opportunity na pwedeng makapagpabago sa buhay natin. Sa lahat po ng mga aspiring OFW job seekers natin dyan na naghahanap trabaho going sa ibang bansa, ito yung job opportunity na pwede nating puntahan. Magkakaroon po ng overseas job fair, located po ito sa SM Mall of Asia. May ipopost ko naman dyan yung details. Anong araw po? On August 27, 8 a.m. up to 5 p.m. Alright? So, this opportunity ay meron pong, what do you call this? Job opportunities in various destination countries. Meaning to say, andito na lahat yung mga country na pwede nating mapuntahan kapag once tayo nakapag-apply doon sa mga selected legit agencies na applyan natin. Alright? So, isa sa mga bansa na pwede nating mapuntahan ay ang Asia, of course, Africa, Canada, Europe, Australia, New Zealand, Middle East, and of course, yung America. And plus, they will be having an orientation on safe migration process and how to avoid job scammers and illegal recruiters. Kaya naman, of course, bakit to legitimate? Of course, kailangan pati magpasalamat muna tayo kung sino yung nasa likod nito, itong overseas job fair. Of course, we would like to thank kay Honorable Emmy Calixto Rubiano, the Mayor of City of Pasay. So thank you so much po for this kind of big opportunity sa mga naghahangad na magtrabaho going to abroad ang ating mga kapwa Pilipino. Maraming salamat po, Mayor. Of course, salamat din po sa ating peso. Sa peso, of course, Pasay Peso. Salamat din po. And at ang kanilang partnership with Professional and Responsible International Migration Engagement, Prime Alliance, of course, ang EZ, ANZ, EPP, and the PEA, EME, and then the JEPCA, and then the ASPRO. Thank you so much po sa kanilang mga partnership para mabuo tong overseas job fair. Alright, so ano nga ba yung mga participating licensed Philippine recruitment agencies? So ito yung i-dictate ko, which is ipopost ko rin naman po dito at sa ating comment section kung ano yung mga agencies, and for sure alam ko ilan sa mga agencies dito ay sobrang kilala nyo na. At alam ko rin po ay nakikita nyo rin sa social media ng mga OFW na nagpo-post ng mga agencies nila. Kasama po dito yon. Alright? Isa rin po ako sa mga naghahanap ng trabaho going to abroad. And hindi ko sasayangin yung opportunity na to. Kaya, don't miss out this big opportunity para sa ating mga kababayan na gustong mag-apply at makapagtrabaho abroad. So, ito yung mga agencies na pwede nating applyan. Actually, baka lahat mapasahan mo to eh. So, one of this ay ang 21st Century Manpower Resources, ABD Overseas Manpower Consulting, AMCAAJ International Recruitment Agency, the Aquavir International, Bison Management Corporation, EDI Staff Builders International, the EMS Services, Gulf Asia International Corp or the GAIC, and then of course the HRD Employment Consultants and Multi-Services, the Icon Solutions Asia, Keys Placement, Lifelink International Resources, of course ang Mabuhay Personal and Management Services, Magsaysay Global Services, Manpower Resources of Asia or MRA, the Peridot International Resources, the Petrophil Manpower Services, the PICES International Placement Corporation, Rental Recruitment and Consulting, Skyborn International, Smart Asia International Staffing Services, Staff House International Resources Corporation, and the last one will be the Strategic International Manpower Services. Those are the agencies na pwede nating applyan sa araw ng overseas job fair natin. So please don't miss out this big opportunity na para sa atin. Alright? So ano nga ba yung dapat nating dalhin? Okay, so bring copies of your detailed resume with pictures, of course, and the passport, certificates, and other relevant documents. So, reminder lang po, kailan po ang pinaka overseas job fair dito sa SM Mall of Asia? And one thing is the good news for this is there's no placement fee sa mga agencies na to. O di ba? Sobrang big good news and opportunity to para sa atin mga Pandienyo. So, reminder, kailan po? On August 27, 2024 at exactly 8 o'clock AM up to 5 o'clock PM. So, saan po siya located? Sa Music Hall SM Mall of Asia. On Tuesday po to. This coming Tuesday on August 27. Alright, so inaasahan ko lahat ng mga OFW na naghahanap, aspiring OFW na naghahanap trabaho going to abroad. This will be the big opportunity for us. Okay? So don't miss out and see ya mga pandiyan nyo. Have a nice day and God bless. So don't mind my sugat dahil ayan po, na-disgrasya po tayo and thank God yan lang po yung natamo natin. Maraming salamat po mga pandinyo. I hope na makatulong tong video na to and please don't forget to like and follow and share of course this video para maraming mga Pilipino kababayan natin na makapag-apply abroad dahil itong agencies na to nandito na lahat. Hindi tayo mahirapan for sure. And one thing for sure, one of these agency na mapapasahan ng natin ng resume, mag-print kayo ng maraming resume para for sure na may tumawag sa atin o baka merong on the spot na may process tayo agad-agad. Alright? So mga Pantinyo, thank you so much for having this kind of opportunity na shinare ko sa inyo. And of course, dun sa mga behind of this program na Overseas Job Fair, thank you so much po dahil sobrang laking tulong nito sa ating mga kababayang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po and have a nice day and see you there on August 27, Tuesday at exactly 8 o'clock, 8 up to 5 o'clock PM at mall, 'di ba, sa Music Hall ng SM Mall of Asia. Have a nice day and God bless everyone. Don't forget to share, don't forget to like and follow. Thank you.